Welcome back to Custom Fabricating Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Rob. Today's video is a new product offering. This is our zero clearance fence for the Makita 8.5 dual bevel sliding saw. This happens to be the saw with the rails allow the saw, the rails are in front. The zero clearance fence on this particular model, it is unique in its design that we were able to go with just one design. We didn't have to have two different designs. So this one design will both cover maximum vertical cutting capacity, nest crown, in slide mode. The zero clearance fences come as a set, a left and a right. If you need a zero clearance table insert, we sell that too. We sell these with a hardware kit. They come with the kit included. Both of these products can be found on our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. If you like this channel, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. If you need the best, choose CFS. See you next time.